Hey everybody, I hope everybody is well today. All right guys, so we finally have the theme for the BoxyCharm August box. So first I'm going to show you the theme and then I'll show you the confirmed spoilers that will be in the August BoxyCharm. And then at the end, I'm going to show you a possible future spoiler. The theme for the August box is going to be totally BoxyCharm. And then, of course, the confirmed spoilers are going to be the Becca Cosmetics Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Then we have the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. You will either get that or the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. And then last but certainly not least is the Wander Beauty Illuminating Glow Ahead Oil. Now, of course, as soon as they come out with any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. But I did want to show you this clip from Joe's Instagram. Now, this is showing a skincare brand, I believe. It's SelfTaught Beauty. I believe that's how you say that. So I'm going to let you watch the clip.
Alright guys, there's something really special that just got here. From SelfTaught. Look how beautiful. I got actually two packages, one of them already opened, which I'm going to show you, and I have two, one for Patty and one for me. So beautiful. Look at that. So I don't have experience that much with skincare. I started applying skincare in the last few months just because of BoxyCharm and meeting brand owners and understanding that it's more preventative. I'm gonna try this mask. It smells delicious. Literally, I want to eat this thing. It smells delicious. I haven't tried the other two. Those are two other types, but it's more citricy. Smells as if I apply fruit on my face, more citricy fruit.
So as always, tell me what you guys think down below in the comments section. Do you think this could be a possible future spoiler? And also, have you heard of this brand? Have you tried this brand out? And also, what do you think of this spoiler so far for the BoxyCharm August box? And as always, BoxyCharm will be linked below if you want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also, rate the video for me if you would, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.